Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download WinRAR super fast and super easy. Hey guys, before we get into this, I'd really appreciate it if you guys did subscribe. That way, when I do post new tutorials or new videos, you guys are always alerted when it is up, so that then if you guys have any questions on it, I can help you guys out there. Alright, let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so we're just going to get into how to download WinRAR, and pretty much for those of you that aren't too sure of what WinRAR is, pretty much it's just how to unzip zipped files on your computer. So the first thing you just want to type in is just WinRAR on Google or whatever you want to use. I don't know. I just use Google Chrome. And you're going to click on this first one that says WinRAR Archiver Powerful Tool. I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys don't have to look this up. I'll get that done for you guys. Now when you first get on here, you're going to see, oh, you know, you got to buy WinRAR or Achiever. And a lot of people are like, well, I guess I just got to pay for it, right? That's actually not true at all. So instead, what you're going to want to do is you're going to see our shop, then underneath there you're going to see download featured software. You're not going to want that either. And now you're going to be here last time 30 March 20th. And once you get to here, you're going to see all these different languages. And you're going to be looking for American, or actually probably be English. I don't know why I said American. English right here. And it's going to be right here. Now, if you have a 32-bit computer, you'll click 32-bit, or if you have a 64-bit like mine, which most computers are, you're going to go ahead and click 64-bit. Then it'll just bring up this little thing here. It might ask you, do you want to run this? You just click yes, run, all that good stuff. Once it's done, then you're just going to go ahead and, I think you're actually going to have to show in folder. And then you'll see it right here. Then you're going to want to go ahead and open it. Loud being. Now, sorry, so you got all this stuff, and pretty much it says right at the top, this is a trial version of WinRAR Archiver. So once you get it here, you can read through all this if you want, pretty much, whatever. So what's with the trial version? Anyone may use it during a test period of 40 days. I've had it for a lot longer than that. I don't know. If not, you just might have to re-download it, I guess. But I've had mine for like literally so long, and it hasn't ever really given me a problem. So yeah, this is pretty much it. You can just read through all that if you want. Just go ahead and click install, and then it'll just do that super quick. You can click all these if you want. I don't know. I just leave it whatever. I'll just click toggle all, whatever. I pretty much just leave all this preset stuff just because that's typically what's recommended. Then you just want to go ahead and click OK at the bottom here. Thank you for using WinRAR. Now it's all right here. You can open it, you can do whatever. Alright guys, so quickly I'm going to show you how to use WinRAR. So typically when you have a zip file like this, it'll be like 3 books or like a file with like a little zipper on it. So how do you use it then? So what you're going to want to do is right now, as you can see, when you try and open this, it's going to bring up all this other stuff that you don't really want. And pretty much all this is it's a zip file. And to actually be able to use it, you have to right click it here. And you're going to want to, you can either do extract files, and if you click extract files, you can put it in a specific location. Or if I just want to keep it in the downloads folder, you'll just go ahead and click extract here. Typically this won't come up, but this is just because I've already done this before. So you'll just click yes if you have confirm file replace. I just click yes to all, and then quickly you'll see it did a little thingy laying there. And up at the top here now you'll see filesonlineaudioconverter.com, which is the exact one I just did down here, except instead of this like bookcase here, which means this is a zip file, now it's an actual folder we can go ahead and update, and it'll bring up the actual stuff inside. So that's how you use it, that's how you download it. It's super fast. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Again, link's gonna be in the description, and yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. If you have any questions down below, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have a great day. Peace.